It's summertime and we're ready to be sitting poolside sipping on something refreshing.
We are here to quench your thirst with Chihuahua Cerveza's beertail, the Shandy.
So if you like lemonade and you like beer, this is the perfect cocktail for you because it combines both.
The cerveza featured in this beertail is Chihuahua's El Primero.
We're gonna start with some simple syrup. You're gonna use 1.5 ounces. And then some freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1.5 ounces. Add 4.5 ounces of Chihuahua's El Primero. I love that sound. And last, we're gonna add 1.5 ounces of club soda.
And we will put it in our beautiful glass. Then we're gonna garnish it with a lemon wheel and a mint sprig.
And that is Chihuahua Cerveza's Shandy.
Happy Fiesta Friday.
Cheers!
Can I have some now? Oh yeah.
Let me get some of that.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
It's so good.
I'm already picturing myself poolside.
Don't hug it all.
Should have made 2.